Hello, Divine Redeemer. This is Principal J Bar along with Pastor Seth up here in one of our favorite places on top of the roof. We've been here a few times, right, Pastor Seth? So we actually have a purpose today. We are talking about our Giving Tuesdays, and we have a very special friend behind us that Pastor Seth is going to give you some great information about.
Yes, this is our HVAC system that I like to call the Hand of God HVAC system, because the only thing that's really keeping it together is the Hand of God. This unit is 32 years old, to the best of our ability to figure out how old this thing is. I'm pretty sure that when Moses brought the commandments down, he also brought an instruction manual for this unit. That being said, God has been faithful. We have stewarded this very well. We've cared for it for a long time, but there does reach a point in time with any kind of facility maintenance pieces like this where you won't be able to fix it anymore if something else happens, and you'll just have to go ahead and get a new one. And that's really what we're trying to do with Giving Tuesdays, is get ahead of those issues before there's a problem. And so that's the case with the Hand of God right here. It's about time to replace this. And there's a good reason why we want to replace this one specifically. It's because of how it impacts the mission hub that our school area is for all of us. So Ms. J-Bar, Principal J-Bar, is going to tell you a little bit more about that.
So this HVAC system actually works. We are standing on top of the main lobby of the school, and also this one works on the 2 third grade classrooms, which we use not only for school classrooms, but also that's where our baptismal classes are. That's where we have some Sunday school classes in those rooms. So we're using that area, this main area, quite a bit. So should this go out and not be giving us our heat and our air conditioning, that could cause a problem. So very excited to be getting ahead of it. Very excited to be hopefully being able to think proactively about what we need at Divine Redeemer, and very, very thankful because you guys are always so generous to help us with the needs that we have. So wanted to make sure you were aware of what our Giving Tuesdays are going towards. So hopefully we can get a new baby right here that's going to take care of our lobby and our 3rd grade classrooms. Is there anything that I forgot, Pastor Seth?
Well, as you can see from this video, it's very windy up here. But here's the thing. We don't need it to be windy up here. We need it to be windy through here for heating and cooling. And so this is just another thing that we would love to see your partnership with, so that we can all work together to see the Lord's work done here, so that students can come to class and they can learn, so that more of our community can learn about the importance of baptism in their life. Really, there is an ultimate concern of ministry here. And so this is why we just prayerfully ask for you to consider supporting our Giving Tuesdays initiative. Just want to say God bless you and thank you for your faithful giving so far. Have a great day. God bless you.